This is our bun bar, and this is how easy it is to use. Draw your hair up to the desired height of your bun. Use your ponyo to secure your hair. Feed your hair through, squash it flat, and bend the ends back. Take your bun bar, draw your hair up, center your hair in the bun bar, roll it down. Bend it back, and slide your hair back. And you're done. My thin hair looks super thick, and thick hair stays all day and is super comfortable and light. And best of all, the bun bars are totally non-damaging. Open it up and let it drop. Take your ponyo, open that up, slides right out. No hair. The bun bar works on every hair type, and you can do so many different cool styles with it. It comes in hair blending colors, and you can get a combo pack with your bun bar and ponyo. You're gonna love your bun bar.